Okay, in this video, we're going to discuss how to solve exponential equations. So, when you say exponential equation, the unknown is in the exponent. So, for example, we have 3 raised to y equals 8. We're looking for the value of y. Okay, so simply, what we're going to do is make it, let's say 2 raised to y. Okay, make 8 as in convert 8 in an exponential with base 2. Okay, so if you're going to use your calculator, we can say that 8 is equal to 2 cubed. You can say that. Therefore, we can write 8 as 2 cubed. So now their bases are now the same. Okay, so basically y is just equal to 3. Therefore, y is 3. Okay, that's it. That's number 1. Okay, so let us say number 2. Number 2, we have let us say 3 2x plus 1 equals 27 raised to square. Okay, so what we're going to do is express 27 in base 3. So we know that 27 is just 3 cubed. Okay, so we can replace 27 by 3 cubed. So we have 3 2x plus 1 equals, replace 27 with 3 cubed. So then another square. So basically we'll have 3 2x plus 1 equals 3. Since they are the exponent, that will be multiplied 6. So now we can make an equation of, since they are on the same base 3 na, we can make an equation of 2x plus 1 and 6. So we will have 2x plus 1 equals 6. So that is minus 1 minus 1. We have 2x equals 5. So divide by 2, we'll have x equals 5 over 2. Therefore, that's the value of x. Okay. Number 3. To say number 3. In number 3, let us try 8 3x plus 1. Then we'll have 16 2x minus 7. So what is x? So obviously we cannot make 16 as base 8. Okay, so this is the problem here. We cannot make 16 as base 8, meaning we cannot make 16 as 8 raised to something. Okay, but we can make them into the same base. Okay, so we can make 8 and 16 into the same base, which is base 2, because we can express 8 as 2 cubed, and we can express 16 as 2 raised to 4. You can use your calculator for this if you want to. So 16 is just 2 raised to. Now they are now the same base, so we can replace that 2 cube there, so we can replace this 2 cube here and that 2 raised to 4 here, so that they will have the same base. So we'll have now 8 will become 2 cube, and there's times remaining 3x plus 1. And then we have 16 is 2 raised to 4, okay, and there is a remaining an exponent 2x minus 7. Since they are the same base, okay, they are in the same base now, we can now make an equation of the exponent. We can now make the equation of this and that, since they are already the same base. So we'll have 3 times 3x plus 1. We'll have 4 times 2x minus 7. So in this case, we'll have 9x plus 3 and 8x minus 28. So subtracting both sides, 9x, so minus 8x minus 8x, will get x plus 3 equals negative 28. Okay. Then minus 3 again, minus 3 again, so we'll have x equals negative 31. So that is our value. So again, let's go back to number 1 or number 2. We can make 27 as base 3. So that is why here we do not touch anymore the 3, because we can rewrite 27 in an exponential form with base 3. But in number 3, we cannot make 16 as base 8. That is why we find a number in which they are both converted into exponential form, in which they have the same base 2 and 2 cube and 2 raised to 4. Okay, so then we replace that. We go through the same process. Okay, number 4. Okay, number 4. Let us say 3 raised to x square plus 3 raised to x square plus 3x, then equals, let's say, 81. Okay, so same idea. So we can express 81 into base 3. We'll see, I'll try to look at. And that is because we know that, so let's try. If we're going to try 3 square, that's 9. Going to try 3 cube, that is 27. 3 raised to 4, that's 81. Oh, okay. So we'll get this. Therefore, we can say that 81 is 3 raised to 4. Okay. So we can now make an equation of, since they are the same base now, we can now make an equation of their exponent. Simply x squared plus 3x equals 4. So you can see it's x squared, therefore it's a quadratic equation. Since this is a quadratic equation, we can turn this into 0. The right side must be 0. So we'll have x squared plus 3x minus 4 equals 0. Okay. So how do you solve quadratic equation? It's either we use quadratic formula. You can use quadratic formula, that x equals negative b plus minus b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, or you can use factorization. I guess this one is factorable. This is x plus 4 and x minus 1 equals 0. Solving this one, you'll have x equals negative 4. Solving this one, you have x equals positive 1. Okay, so these are the possible values of x. are the possible values of x. So if the resulting equation here is quadratic, we're expecting two possible values of x. Okay, so that's it.